Ever feel like your car's engine is just giving up on life? Rough starts, sluggish acceleration, that annoying check engine light flickering like it's laughing at you? What if I told you you could bring that dead-feeling engine back to life without a mechanic? No crazy tools, no $1,000 repair bills. Just 5 little-known tricks that most drivers never even think about. Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your engine run smoother, stronger, and more efficient. Guaranteed. Number 1. The fuel system flush that actually works. Most people just dump any fuel cleaner in their tank and pray, but if you want real results, you need to do it the right way. Here's the secret sauce. Use a cleaner with PEA, polyethylamine. This stuff eats carbon like Pac-Man. I'll link my favorite in the description. Add it to a near-empty tank. This makes the mixture strong enough to actually work. Drive it hard afterward. Get those RPMs up to scrub the gunk off your injectors and valves. Feels like a whole new car, right? Number 2, the spark plug swap that unlocks hidden. Here's a dirty little secret mechanics don't always tell you. Bad spark plugs rob your engine of power, fuel economy, and even longevity. Upgrading to iridium or platinum plugs gives you smoother starts, better throttle response, improved fuel economy. And the best part, it's stupid easy. If you can use a wrench, you can do this. Number 3, the mysterious Italian tune-up trick. Ever heard of the Italian tune-up? No, it's not a fancy espresso. It's the best-kept secret for cleaning your engine for free. Here's how it works. Occasionally, driving your car hard, safely, burns off carbon deposits that slow your engine down. Think of it like giving your engine a deep breath of fresh air. So next time you hit an open road, let it rip. Your engine will thank you. Number 4, the overlooked sensor that kills performance. This little guy, your mass airflow sensor, MAF. And if it's dirty, your engine runs like garbage. Cleaning it takes 30 seconds and costs $5 just. 1. Unplug it. 2. Spray it with MAF cleaner, not brake cleaner. 3. Let it dry and reinstall. Boom. Instant, smoother idle, better MPG, and restored power. Finally, number 5. The oil change trick that pro mechanics use. Most people just change their oil and call it a day. But if you want next-level engine health, do this. Use full synthetic oil. It lasts longer and protects better. Change it before it's due, especially if you do short trips. Add a little seafoam or Marvel mystery oil. Cleans sludge like magic. Your engine's blood is its oil. Treat it right and it'll run forever. So there you go. 5 secrets to make your engine run like new again. No crazy tools. No mechanic bills. Just simple, proven tricks that work. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.